All right, this is Toyota Sienna 2017. This is my new whip for shining, stunting, I don't know, whatever. Don't forget to give me a like. I'm gonna do a test drive for you, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is put on my seatbelt, all right? Make sure my seatbelt is on. Got my seatbelt on. Then I am gonna start the vehicle. It's just a test drive, okay? I'm gonna drive this around. Put it in drive. Well, this is pretty cool, unique right here. Shifting mode has that, but I'm gonna keep it in drive. The lights are on auto, and I'm just gonna drive around. All right, drive around. I'm not gonna listen to any tunes because I want to hear when people be like, "Oh, who is that? Who is that guy driving that? Ooh, nice Toyota Sienna," you know, because you know this particular vehicle really draws a lot of attention. You know, people like it, and they might think that I'm a movie star or like some sort of like famous person, and you know, I just want to make sure that they're not aggressively coming after me. Okay, so I'm just gonna drive it nice and cruise. Currently it's in economy mode. Okay, you see that button right there? It says economy mode, so it's not using as much fuel. I'm going to turn the temperature up, air conditioning, get a little bit of air blowing so it's nice and cool. And I'm going to just drive around, okay? Oh, too much, all right? We'll cruise. The pedal, as I notice, is a little touchy, okay? That's okay though. You know, sometimes, you know, I need to press it to get going really fast for me, but it's good to know that that's there. You know, people like waving at me, seeing that, you know, they think I'm like a star driving a Sienna, which is cool. You know, I get it a lot whenever I drive this around. So I'm gonna go ahead and go around. Look at the maneuver that way. Just maneuver around. All right, it's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna lean my seat back a little bit so people don't see who I am and want to be like, "Hey, who is that guy?" Look, they're looking. Oh my gosh, don't look. Don't look. Hopefully they won't see me. If I don't look at them, I don't see them, they don't see me, and all is good, and I'm not being harassed by people who think I'm a movie star. I'm just gonna drive through, cruising. People on a scooter waving at me. Alright, just gonna cruise around the block right here. Speed bumps. One thing that I was kind of worried about is going over speed bumps with this vehicle, like maybe the center might scrape, but actually have enough clearance to actually go over the speed bump. Alright, stop. Did you see me stop right there? There, it's stopped, and I was able to stop. Very responsive. Not a large area to actually, I don't need a lot of large area to actually stop, so that's a good feature. All right, another speed bump. Guess people don't like people coming through this neighborhood speeding around, which I don't blame them. You know, with this Toyota Sienna, it has quite the bit of pickup, and I can see why they put them in there for people like who drive vehicles like this. So I'm just gonna follow the rules, and I'm just gonna go over the speed bumps nice and slowly, okay? And I'm just gonna go down this road and just cruise. This guy's going down the wrong way of a street, like he doesn't know what he's doing. I guess he's kind of overwhelmed in that car. But if you're in a Toyota Sienna, you're totally comfortable, and you can think about things like going down the street the right way instead of making the wrong turn. All right, and that's one thing I noticed about the vehicle. It's nice, comfortable. The seats are like comfortable. It feels like I'm sitting on my couch at home with a slushie in my hand, relaxing. All right, it's that comfortable for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna cruise around some of this traffic. This is a great kind of car to be stuck in traffic. I mean, because it is so large, I can relax, I can sit back. It feels like I'm in a huge room. Look at all that space back there. If I wanted to, I can put like a bed back there and, you know, actually catch some Z's and, you know, go to sleep. But I'm not going to do that today because I'm doing a test drive for you folks, because you wanted me to do the test drive for you. All right. Stuck in traffic. Jeez Louise. All right. Toyota. This is, it has an SRS airbag. Okay. Which is cool. Airbags are cool. I'm just wondering how long I'm gonna be stuck in this traffic right here, because I'm trying to turn. I don't want people coming up to me being like, who's that guy in the Sienna? Who's that guy in the Sienna? I wish I can see who it is. But the windows aren't tinted. The back windows are kind of tinted. The front windows have a green tinge to it. Look at this guy. Hide. Don't let him see my face. Don't let him see who I am. And I may have to make some sort of move, because it doesn't look like traffic is going anywhere, anytime, anywhere, any fast at all. All right. So I may have to do a little bit of maneuvering in the Toyota Sienna. I'm just gonna reverse. Everybody clap your hands. All right, so I just did a reverse because I see traffic isn't going anywhere. And then I am going to, wow, look at that maneuvering that the Sienna did. You would think that I am in a sports car or something, but no, it's a minivan, you know, it's a minivan. But people are probably thinking like, wow, this guy's in some sort of sports car. It's a minivan, you guys. Toyota makes a great minivan. So some of you who are looking towards getting a Porsche, maybe a Ferrari, or Lamborghini, or McLaren, or maybe a Corvette, you may want to think the other way before you get one of those and think about getting a minivan like a Toyota Sienna, because with that maneuvering that I just did, it made me think like differently about my decision. I made a decision to get a minivan instead of like a Lamborghini, and that maneuvering that I just did had me thinking that I made the right decision. All right, so I'm just gonna go around here. Just go down this street right here. Wow, did you see that? Look at the pickup. Oh man, I just went from 20 to 25 in like less than 0.5 seconds. That shows the pickup that this vehicle has. It's pretty much unprecedented. Then I'm gonna go over this bump right here, and I'm just gonna go forward and then make a left right here. Let's see the brake responsiveness. Whoa, did you see that? Look, the guy's like looking. Don't let him see who I am. He's waving at me like, all right. Just another speed bump. I swear these people don't like who I am, because if they did, they wouldn't have put so many speed bumps in here. Just gonna cruise forward, just mind my business. Act like I'm not upset that they put all these speed bumps in here. Just go forward. People